We often get asked about auto insurance and having full coverage on your policy. Invariably, when we review policies, we see customers have what I'll call full coverage on the physical damage of their vehicle, but quite often, many consumers have insufficient coverage on the liability. It's weird and, in fact, detrimental to be set up that way. Very often, people have more coverage than they need on their car. Say they have a $250 or a $500 deductible, but insufficient liability limits. If you think about it, the value of your vehicle is limited. It's worth what it's worth, and that's it. However, your exposure in a liability scenario where you're found at fault is kind of unlimited. You really have no idea how great that exposure can be. It's always a good idea to make sure that you have sufficient liability limits to protect your total net asset value. So the way you would structure this is you would want to have a total liability limit that equals all the money that you've got. So if you have a total value of, say, $500,000, you would want to make sure that either with your auto insurance on a standalone basis or most likely in a more cost-effective manner, the auto liability along with an umbrella would equal the total limit so that you would not be exposed in the event you were in an accident and found at fault. Give us a call so we can discuss how you can structure this in the most cost-effective manner.